Yo, what's up, fam? So we're gonna be changing the rear axle seals and shit. Never done it before, so just gonna send it. Before I start going into it, let me just show you what's going on here and why it's an axle seal leak. Notice this wet splatter all over the place. I thought it was brake fluid, and I was like, what the hell? I checked my brake fluid, it was nothing, and obviously if it's not brake fluid, then it's gonna be your differential fluid. Around the drum, it was all coated in diff oil, and then inside here, it's everywhere. Also, we're gonna be changing the rear axle vent because if the seal blew, probably this is clogged up. Gonna remove the differential, have something underneath to catch the oil. That's not gonna fit. Yeah. This is a diff tag, by the way. Shows you all the information. Well, the code on there will tell you what type of differential you have. I don't want to hurt you.
Everything I could, and it would not budge. Yeah, baby.
All right. We are gonna go grab, ow, a razor blade. So you saw I had some difficulty taking it off. I'm gonna try to squeeze a razor blade. Obviously be careful. I got a pack of, take a razor blade and grab your hammer. Just kind of tap it in. Cutting off some of the excess RTV that's sticking out. Oh, it looks like it's... Well, it definitely cut through. Right there, I just got the razor blade and I tapped it in. Now it's there. I might try to put a second one in there and try to tap it out, or I might try to use a screwdriver and put it to there. Well, we'll fucking figure it out somehow. Now I'm going to try with the flathead. Oh, she's leaking a bit. All right, perfect. This is what I was looking for. It's pretty much all off now. Voila, look at that. There's a little bolt there holding this pin. So I gotta undo the bolt. That should be good. Yeah, maybe I'll put it back in park. Okay. Yeah, we'll put some Loctite on that as well. There's already some on here, which is good. Apparently there are some horror stories about these pins dropping inside here and causing a catastrophe. Use Loctite. All right. Bolt is removed. Rotate it this way. So it just comes down like that. Oh wait, but I don't have clearance. Hold on. Let me twist it this way. There we go. Oh fuck, I just lost all my nuts. Let me pull this out first before I angle it slightly down more. There we go. Cool, we got it out. Spin this straight. Now, I think I gotta push the axle in. So I'm gonna go to the axle, push in a little bit so I can access the C-clip. There we go, there's the C-clip that we're looking for. Oh shit. Best case, oh, okay, it dropped to the bottom. Yes, it's a little yucky. So, should be able to pull it free. Somebody said angle it up and then pull it, but yeah, let's just try that. Yep. All right, axle is out. This is what I'm trying to replace right here, the seal. So I'm gonna get one of those seal puller thingies and try to bang it out. I don't have one of those. Fuck, whatever, I'm just gonna pull this shit out. Is it even moving? Oh, it is. Okay. Seal is out. We're gonna just slide her back in. Angle her up slightly. That's what people were saying to do. Okay. Oh, I wish you could see this. But just like how we took it out, just clip it back in. Now, it's back in. And pull that guy back out. Okay. Now, clip is in. We got to put the pin back in and then put the locking nut on. I'm actually going to cut the video a little bit short here. Sorry. I was going to show you like the RTV and everything. Or maybe I will. Maybe it'll be for a different video.